Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Amritsar location. It is from Punjab. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for Agency Recruitment Development Manager for Life Insurance Company Agency Channel, the Infinity Space. For this position, you must possess any graduation with more than 2 years of work experience in sales and marketing, and also you must possess good communicational skills. And coming to the salary, it would be 4 lakhs per annum, along with that incentives and on-roll. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Netweb Technologies having vacancies for different positions like WordPress developer, React.js developer and PHP developer. For these positions, you must possess 2 to 4 years of work experience. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Gold Loan Relationship Officer from Kotak Mahindra Bank. For this position, you should have 2 to 4 years of work experience in gold loan. And you please check once rest of the job requirements. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Techies Infotech is hiring for senior SEO analyst. Like you must possess at least 3 years of solid full-time experience of handling Shopify, WooCommerce and Magento based on e-commerce websites including on-page, off-page and technical SEO. Like it would be a full-time job opportunity and work from home option also available, and the working days will be from Monday to Friday, and the salary will be best in the industry, and the interview mode will be online or offline. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for HR executive for a pharmaceutical company. For this position, the candidate must possess any HR degree with 3 years of work experience in healthcare, pharma or biotech industries. Coming to the salary, it would be 6.75 lakhs per annum with other factory benefits. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for relationship managers, associate managers and senior managers from Kisandan Agri Financial Services Private Limited. For these positions, you must possess 3 to 5 years of work experience in agri commodity market, and also you should have knowledge of warehouse receipt funding and working capital loans, and understanding of audited financials, and knowledge of the geographical area and local network, and also you should be aware of the sectorial agriculture industry. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Paytm having vacancies for different positions like area sales managers and team leaders. The candidate must have 3 to 4 years of work experience for team leader. For the area sales manager position, you should possess 6 to 8 years of work experience. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for customer support executive from Philips. For this position, you must have technical qualification with good communicational skills, and also you should have 3 to 5 years of work experience in service operations for handling products like domestic kitchen appliances background. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Royal Orchid Hotels having vacancies for these positions like food and beverage manager, sales manager, assistant finance manager and assistant housekeeping manager. For the food and beverage manager and sales manager positions, the candidate should be from Punjab only, and the candidate should have hotel industry experience for at least 4 to 5 years as a HOD or second in command. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive from Distillery International Private Limited. For this position, you must possess MBA qualifications with 4 to 5 years of work experience in FMCG sector, and also you should have strong hands-on MS Excel, good communicational skills, and you should be open to travel. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for merchant services and sales from Worldline and Autos Company. For this position, the candidate should be responsible for retail and corporate POS or VS business, and you must have sales experience for at least 7 years, and also you should have 3 to 4 years of work experience in payment ecosystem. If you are eligible, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Reliance Jio is hiring for area HR position at manager level. Like you must possess 8 to 12 years of work experience. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.